Alright guys, check it out. This is the Redtiger F7NA dash cam, and we're going to check it out today. 4K ultra clear Stratus 2 5.8 gigahertz with Wi-Fi. Dual channel. It's got a front and rear camera, guys. Redtiger. Here's a little suction cup for the window. That's pretty cool. There's the rear camera. Alright guys, let's get this thing hooked up. Looks like it just slides right on here. Like that. I like that a lot. That's a great idea. Oh yeah. All right, that's a game changer right there. All right guys, there it is. It's already hooked up to the window. That suction cup is awesome. I like that a lot. Very cool. Got our SD card there, power button. We got our menu buttons at the bottom. Let's get the power cable hooked up. It's gonna go right down here in the 12-volt power connection down here. And there it is, it lights up, so you can still use that adapter there to charge your phones. Redtiger. Please insert the SD card, okay? Let's get the SD card out of here. Formatting. Formatting complete. All right, there we go. Sound recording, loop recording, G sensor, click tone, screensaver, Wi-Fi. And this is the home screen, and it starts recording as soon as you get back to the home screen. So it's recording now. And there's plenty of storage on this thing, guys, for recording, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Stop recording. So there is the voice command. Take a picture. There we go. So it started recording it, took a picture. All right, let's get the rear camera hooked up. And I'm gonna go ahead and run the cables up here. And this helps you kind of tuck it in there. It's real easy. So we got the rear camera cable tucked up in here real nice, all the way to the back. Okay, so we got it right here in the center, and you can turn this if you need to. Show rear camera. Okay guys, the front and rear camera is hooked up. Everything's working. All the wires are tucked away real nice and neat. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive and see how good this footage is. Let's do it. All right guys, let's go for a drive. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out, and you can see how clear everything is in front of us. This is 4K guys. It's very, very clear. You can see the railroad tracks, you can see the signs, you can see the cars. And we're just cruising along, going through traffic like we normally would. What's really cool about the F7NA is it has detection software. So it detects the car in front of you, and it lets you know when the car takes off. So if you're looking down at your phone or you're distracted, it alerts you that the car in front of you has moved, which is really cool. So it's almost like, you know, a lot of the newer cars have lane monitoring systems. It's very much like a lane monitoring system. It'll give you a vocal audible alert letting you know that you're going out of the lane. What's really cool is it has the true 4K with Sony IMX678 sensor. You can see it right here how clear it is. As we pull up to the stoplight here, look at the license plate in front of me. You can see it. You can actually read it. And the one on the left. You can also see the name of the road up to the left there, the color of the lights. So if for some reason you needed this footage for insurance purposes or for some sort of legal issue, any kind of incident that might happen, chances are nothing's gonna happen, but if something does, you've got the proof here from the front camera and the rear camera. It's a pretty good insurance plan, and it's very affordable. It's like cheap insurance in case something happened. You can prove what happened. All right guys, here is the rear camera. Everything is crystal clear, just as clear as the front camera. And we're just cruising along. It's a sunny day and it's bright out. It's pretty bright. But you can see all the cars behind me. You can see the trees and the road, the clouds. It's pretty impressive. All right guys, right here we have some night footage, and again, it's crystal clear guys. 4K super night vision, 4K 30 frames per second, and the rear is 1080p 25 frames per second.
Right lane deviation alarm.
Alright guys, right there you could hear the voice command alerting that you had a right lane deviation alarm. So it'll do that for left lane and right lane. It can see when you're deviating from the street going out of the lane, which is pretty cool. It'll also give you a warning if it thinks you're going to crash into somebody.
Front car collision alarm.
Car start reminder.
Here's some footage of the rear camera. Very impressive night vision, guys. It looks great. I mean, you can see everything clearly in the front and the rear. So the front camera has the HDR and the rear has the WDR, improves dynamic range, ensuring balanced exposure and reducing overexposure or underexposure. All right, guys, make sure you download the app. The app is really cool. It allows you to connect to the dash cam via Wi-Fi, and it has a lot of really cool features on it. And you could see in real time the cameras. You can also play back all the clips that you've recorded during your trip. Very cool. You can download those, put them on your computer. The app is awesome, guys. All right, guys, one of the other really cool features is the hardware kit. It's optional, but it is really cool. And when you use it, the dash cam will have power 24/7. So when you turn the car off, the dash cam will still be running, and you can set it in different modes. It's like a parking surveillance mode. So when you turn the car off and you leave the car, whether it's nighttime or daytime, you can still have it recording everything that's going on around you. And it's pretty cool. So you install the hardware kit, you go into parking mode, and you select 24-hour time-lapse recording. So the hardware kit's here. It comes with different fuse adapters, so you gotta find the one that works for you. One is battery and one is accessory. It's pretty simple, and there's a ground cable. So there's just 3 connections. The ground cable, which we hooked up to this bolt right here and tightened it down. Battery cable and an accessory cable. And what you wanna do is look for open slots on your fuse panel. And see, we have a few open slots here, and you can test them with your test light to see which ones are on when the key is off and which ones are on when the key is on. This one right here is on all the time. So this is where our yellow wire is going to go for our battery. And then this row over here is off when the key is off, but when you turn the key on, this comes on. So that's where our accessory fuse will go. So this side right here is your hot side. So now we've got our 2 fuses hooked up, and you can see it's telling us we've got 12.5 volts. So now you've got power, constant power to your dash cam. So we're gonna hook this into the dash cam, and it'll record when the car is not even on, which is pretty cool. It's a parking monitor system. During the night, it has really good low light technology that captures everything, even when it's dark out. All right, guys, the F7NA Redtiger dash cam. This thing's awesome. All right, guys, check out the discount code in the description below. Let me know if you get one. I'll see you on the next one. Later. All right, guys, click on the link in the description and use my discount code at checkout. Later.